Welcome back to the channel, guys. This thing here is the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and I'm running Android 16 QPR 1 Beta 2. It has already some material tree expressive design elements, and it's just straight gorgeous. But that's not what this video is all about. This thing here is the Vivo X200 Ultra. It's probably the best camera in a smartphone, without the probably. Yes, it is the best camera smartphone right now. I do believe this. The best ultra wide for sure, and some of the best photos that you can get. But I've posted a lot of the photos from the Vivo on my posts and YouTube, and a lot of people were saying, hey, it's very, very bright, or let's say it's too unnatural. It looks very much pumped in, even when you are using the natural size mode. People were saying it's too saturated, I don't like it, you know, the Pro Sync and stuff like this. And I'm always telling them, guys, this is a pro camera smartphone, so you have tons of options. You can pretty much do whatever you want to do with this. But in this video, I'm gonna share with you a very simple tutorial on how to get, let's say, more realistic colors that are more, let's say, aligned to what you get from a Pixel 9 Pro XL. So let me just show you how this works. I'm gonna open my Google camera on the Pixel and I'm gonna take a picture, right? This is just for a comparison. So let's say now we have some blue sky, we have the greens here. Now I'm going to do the same, but I'm going to do this with my Vivo X200 Ultra. And okay, I'm going to try to do the same picture. And now, guys, I'm going to show you, right? And I know, you know, you're just looking at this on the screen on your phone or TV, but it's pretty same, right? Almost like similar. And yeah, this is not the natural size setup. Okay, guys. So let me tell you how this works. First, when you start the camera, you have this button here from which you can choose, let's say, Vivid, right? Which will kind of saturate your pictures. You can see on Vivid, the green is more green, the blue is more green, and then you have size. But there is also something else, right? When you click here, you're gonna get something called the effect. All right, so it's effect, or let's express effect, but it will basically get this toggle down. And from this toggle down, guys, you can introduce additional settings on brightness, saturation, contrast. So if you want to achieve more natural look, all right, you need to lower the brightness with -15. All right, you need to crank up the saturation with +8, -15 on the contrast, guys, and -85 on the sharpness, right? And with size natural look and the settings, you know, on contrast, sharpness, and brightness, you'll be able to achieve what people call a very natural look. Now, myself, well, just sometimes I use Vivid, sometimes I use plain size, but okay, this is what this tutorial is all about. And with this setup, you're going to be able to get some pretty close results, because people are saying, yeah, Google, they have a nice, you know, color science and stuff like this. All right, with Vivo, you can do everything you want. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe.